We have all heard the saying, money does not grow on trees, right? But what if I told you that making money online does not have to be hard work either? The truth is, there are lazy ways to make money online without scams, without crazy investment, and without spending 10 hours a day grinding. So, the key finding a smart, low effort income stream that actually works for you. So, in this video, I am breaking down the laziest yet most effective ways to make money online, even if you are a total beginner. And trust me, these are not get quick rich schemes, but they are closest things to making money online doing almost nothing. So let's jump in. Number 1. Direct response copywriting. Ever bought something online after reading a really convincing ad? That's the power of the direct response copywriting. Businesses don't just need content, they need words that make people to buy, and they pay a lot for it. If you have ever bought something online, chances are a copywriter's word made you take the action. Good copywriting directly impact on sales. That cause businesses pay top dollar for it. Why this is perfect for lazy money making? No degree required, no upfront investment. You can start earning immediately if you are good. You can work from anywhere and choose your hours. Businesses are always looking for a skilled writer to help them increase sales. In fact, some professional copywriters charged $700 to $10,000 per project, sometimes or more. So, how do you start? Learn the basics of preservative writing. Tons of free content on YouTube you can watch and learn. Build a portfolio, create mock ads, rewrite real ones, and or offer free works to local businesses. Find clients, cold outreach on Twitter, LinkedIn, and freelance sites. One of the best way to get noticed, analyze existing ads and improve them publishing. That's how I found my copywriter. Number 2. Video editing. Ever noticed how videos online are getting better and better? That's because great video editors are in high demand. Video content is everywhere, and while AI tools can help, human editors are still in demand for things like storytelling, passive engagement. But here is the real reason why this is a lazy way to make money. AI tools help a lot. You don't need to start from scratch. You can edit videos from your laptop anywhere, anytime. You don't need to film anything yourself, just make what exists better. Massive demand, YouTubers, influencers, businesses, everyone need an editor. So how to start a video editor? 1. Learn the basics. Use free YouTube tutorials or try a free Skillshare trial. Number 2. Edit simple clips or offer free work at fast to build a portfolio. Number 3. Pick a niche, blogs, social media ads, explainers, choose anyone. 4. Find clients. Don't just apply on Upwork. Instead, edit someone existing content and send it to them. This method works 10x faster. Remember, the best video editors make an even simple footage free engaging. If you can do that, clients will find you. Number 3. Print on demand. POD. Imagine selling t-shirt, mugs or hoodies without ever touching them. A third-party company handles the printing and shipping. You never have to manage inventory or pack orders yourself. That's print on demand. Why this is the laziest online business? No inventory management or shipping. Once you create a good design, it can sell for a year with little effort. No upfront investment, you only pay when make a sale. How does it work? Create a simple design. Use Canva or Photoshop to design simple yet catchy graphics. Use platforms like Redbubble, Teespring and Printful to create and sell your designs. Every time someone buys, the platform prints and ships it for you. You get paid. Promote your products on Pinterest, Instagram or TikTok for free traffic. Find trending phrases or memes that turn them into designs. These often sell fast. Number 4. Monetizing content. What if I could make money just by sharing? What are your thoughts? Making videos or writing? Well, that's exactly how content creators get paid and flexible ways to make money online. Multiple ways to earn as a creator. Ad revenue from YouTube blogs, brand deals and sponsorships, affiliate marketing, recommending products and earning commissions, selling digital products like ebook, templates, courses, etc. But is not it too late to start? Not at all. The creator economy is growing by $50 billion by 2030. People want content. There are still room for our new creators. How to get started? Pick a topic you genuinely love, like teach, fitness, finance, even wild hobbies work. Choose a platform and start posting on your content like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or a blog. And stay consistent. Growth takes time, but once you build an audience, the money flows in automatically. The best way to start: document your journey, share your experience, struggles, and lessons. It makes content feel real. Number 4. Become a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs hire virtual assistants to handle simple online tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media posting. If you are organized and good with emails, this might be the easiest way to make money online. Why being a VA is a lazy side hustle? No special skill required, just organization and communication. Work from anywhere, completely remote and flexible. Businesses always need help managing day-to-day tasks. What do virtual assistants do? Manage emails, schedule appointments, handle customer service, organize projects. That's it. How to get started? Offer services first on Upwork, freelance, or virtual assistant agencies. Start with basic admin tasks, then specialize: social media VA, e-commerce VA. The more niche you service, the higher your rates. Business owners will always need help. If you save them time, you will always have work. Many virtual assistants start at $10 to $15 per hour, but specialized virtual assistants can charge $50 per hour or above. Number 6. Passive income through investment. Want to make money in your sleep? That's what investing does. Investing in one of the truly passive ways to grow wealth. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Invest in good companies that pay dividends just for holding their stocks. Profit share with investors. Number 2. Index fund like S&P 500. Instead of picking a stocks, a safer way to invest that grows 8 to 9% per year on average. Investing $1,000 in S&P 500 today could generate passive income $12 to $50 per year and grows 8 to 10% per year. How to start? You don't need a ton of money to start. Even you have $5 a week to buy dividend stocks or index funds can build wealth over time and reinvest your earnings so your money grows automatically. Alright, so there are some of the laziest ways to make money online, all beginner friendly and low effort. You can start today with zero upfront investment in most of these. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell icons so you never miss money making tips from our. So Wealux, see you in the next video. Bye bye.